Hey guys, welcome back to Life on Greenwood. I'm refreshing my entryway today. So it's pretty bare. Right now, there's nothing in there. I had a table in there and some art on the wall, and I took that down. So went through and really swept and wiped down the walls and baseboards. We have slate floors in the entryway, so makes it pretty easy to clean. So I'm going to walk you through the bare entryway just to let you see what it looks like first, and then come back with me and we're going to refresh this entryway. It's going to be a farmhouse inspired refresh. Just going to take some things that are quasi farmhouse related and bring it back into the entryway and put them together and refresh this entryway. So I hope you like what we do with it. Still taking you through, letting you see what it looks like. And this is the stairs that leads upstairs. And this entryway takes you either upstairs, straight back to the kitchen, or on the left to the formal living room. And I don't like a lot of stuff anyway. I think I'm one of the less is more people when it comes to decorating. You can see straight through the entryway, right straight to the kitchen. So I'm going to pull together some things and pull this entryway together. One of the things I'm doing is I'm going to take our shoe basket. So we take our shoes off when we come into the house. I have a big basket that's by the door, and I'm going to take that. I love the color, but I'm going to lighten it a little bit. And I'm just going to go over it lightly with some bare chalk paint just to brighten it up just a little bit. Nothing too strenuous, just lightly brushing over this wicker basket. I may go in later on and put a lining in this basket. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. Maybe not this time around, but I'll probably end up putting a lining in it. Because I've noticed that when we put our shoes there, that whatever dirt is on the shoes and what have you kind of sinks to the bottom and it gets on the floor. So maybe after this refresh, I will put a lining inside of this basket. Meanwhile, I'm just going to give it a light coat of bare chalk paint just to lighten it up. Okay, now these are all the supplies that I'm using for this refresh. Just things that I had already around the house, nothing new, just things I'm bringing in from around the house, and sort of farmhouse inspired. Just collecting things, shopping my own house, bringing things in. You recall this chair. This chair was a DIY where I chalk painted the chair. And here's that wicker basket for our shoes. All right, let's put this together. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do DIYs and thrifting and thrift makeovers and upcycling of thrifted furniture. I love to chalk paint. I will paint almost anything. And if you're interested in those kinds of videos, by all means, hit the subscribe button. And for my returning friends, thank you so much. Don't forget, in the comments, tell me what you liked about this entryway refresh. Look at the chair. These are the pillows. This is the greenery. Was it my boots? Thank you so, so much. Leave me a comment below telling me what you like about this entryway refresh. And what are you doing for your entryway? I think this is something easy to tackle. At least it was for me. Thank you guys so much. And I'll see you in the next one.